going to install these 3D shadow lights. So they're going to broadcast when you open the doors, the little puddle lights that shine down from the bottom of the doors. It's going to shine the Tesla logo in red because I have a red Model Y. And we got a 4-pack, and man, these things are reasonable. And I'm expecting this to be an easy install. You basically just pop out the old lights and pop these in. You just got to make sure you put them in the right direction. So I think all I need is a flathead screwdriver, and that's, it comes with a little screwdriver, so that should be pretty easy. I'm going to start with the left rear door. If you look underneath the door, you'll see the light that I'm going to replace. Basically, I'm going to take the little screwdriver and pry this out. It just snaps out. Plug in the new one and get it to go. Feel it. There you go. Alright, so they told me there's a little plastic safety tang thing that I should pull down on or push with my with that, and then it slides up. Duh. Okay, that's easy. When I did that, the window slid down a little bit. Now let's put the new one in. Yay! Here's my new one. Plug it in. Ooh. And it's bright, but it's shining. Let's see if I turn the camera around, if I can show what it looks like. Very faint out here on a sunny day. So I think I want it like that. See, okay, there, Tesla. So I think you want it going like that, facing forward, not backward. I'm gonna pop it back in like that. Okay. Step that back in there and do that. Done. All right, not too bad once you figure out how to unhook the old one. I'm in the garage. Let's open up the door and take a look at the puddle lights. I think they look great. I mean, it gives sort of a luxury look to the car, and most people won't realize, unless they've done it themselves, how inexpensive and easy of an install it is. These lights are pretty cool, right? And they're only $33 on Amazon. So if you're interested in buying them, use the affiliate link that's in the description of this video. And if red is not your color, they also come in blue and white. See you in the next video.